Okay, it's been a little while since my last check-in with my hair length and my goals. It is currently March 2020. We're all under some form of lockdown, and I'm making tons of hair videos, particularly on TikTok, so follow me there for lots of tutorials. So right now my hair is fingertip length. Get it all in the screen. Whoop, here we go. I stand on my tiptoes. So I can't really measure it myself anymore because my arms don't reach. This is the longest it has ever been. And if you've seen my other videos, you've seen I had it very long 7 years ago, and now it's back and it's even longer. So my goal is to hit knee length. I think I can do that this year in 2020. I am 5 inches away, approximately 5 or 6 inches away. And then my plan is to start trimming to thicken up the hemline and get all the hair, swishy and full and one length there. And then potentially maybe keep going. I'm not sure yet, but I'm going to pause at knee and see how things are. So that is my 2020 hair goals. So please share in the comments what your hair goals are and any questions about hair you have that you'd like me to answer.